ebyabaho mu rutama rw'ishengyero erizoba orwakurra omuhezi wa Speaker Thomas Tayebwa. Iteka eri niryetwa Enguru Act kandi rikabagwa mu mwaka gwa 1966 konka hatiribire rigiire okuhindurwamu ebihindwirwemu ishengyero tiryabikunda kandi wajangu nirushorora abagayiga n'aboro ngu kandi niryihaho abantu emirimo.
Right Honorable Speaker, this bill creates also another challenge, which is it offends a number of laws that have been passed by this House.
Bwanyuma Attorney General yahenchwamu ahitekeri kandi yajangu bimwe ha bintu ebitirwaho kuhindurwamu omwitekeri bishemerirwe korwa Uganda National Bureau of Standards hamwe na Ministry y'ebyamagara.
The provision here that offend the Uganda National Bureau of Standards law should be removed. Again, Right Honorable Speaker and Honorable colleague, this bill will contradict the Employment Act.
Speaker Thomas Tayebwa yataha karuru okureba ombaro bw'abanyishengyero abarikwenda ngo itekeri rihindurwe nabo abatari kucenda aho byahwera abatari kwenda ngo rihindurwe baba binji no kwishengyero okurubinga.
The law commands, I don't want to make this decision alone. I want it to be our decision. I don't want it to be, in my opinion, alone.
Itekeri kitabase kurabya muninga kugira ngo tutarahagera n'engeri yirikozerwemo ahabwo kuba nirigezaho okufubira obubaro buke obuduko buke bukuza marwa deru reka amabara mahango reka za disco club reka za dipo gumana nibaguza.
Ekyokubiri tunulide ku nsonga y'obudde tugambye okuregulatinga tebbale gale saawa zino eggule saawa zino mulimu abakola ekiro nga baagala kunyumira musana ate ne mubeeramu abalambuzi abajja okutulambula e Uganda beetaaga okujja nga Uganda ebaaniriza mu buli ngeri yonna.
Gasha kwa Jime Muhumuza.